Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we will be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. And I'm about to defeat my stump snail. Nash is at 19 million, right Nash? So Nash is at 19 million. Alright, let's go check out. Alright, 1,577,000 health. Or 1,000 health. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! 2-star jellies? A bronze shell amulet, 10 jellies, and 50 tickets. 1% goo, 12% honey from tokens. That's pretty good. 12% pollen from Stumpfield and 10% from Cloverfield. Huh. Keep on that. Replace. Yes, gimme. Alright, so did I just get 2-star jellies? Dude, I can't believe I just defeated that. Dude, I defeated him, look! Stump snail, 3 days and 23 hours, more like 4 days. So we will also do a reveal when Nash does his stump field for stump snail. Yeah, right Nash?
Yeah.
So, jump real quick. I actually just, I know I don't sound excited right now, guys, but I really am.
Whoa, dude, free Robux.
Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of free Robux scams lately. It's like Roblox is doing something weird. Oh.
Getbucks.com.
No. Nash, don't say it. We don't want people going to it. Guys, if you ever see a free Robux ad,
Don't
never,
get bucks right now.
never go to it.
Do not get bucks right now.
Do not get it.
Bye-bye.
Wait, Nash, did you leave the game or no? We want to play this game for a bit. 267 tickets. So I'm also going to buy my new hive slot. Is that enough? I was going to be saving, but you know what? I'm still going to have like 61,000. So stump snail and new hive slot. Then how many bees would I have? 60, 35. So then I'd have 36.
Why are there so many arguments on if bucks plus free Robux is free or not? Is real or not?
I don't know.
Are people dumb? Because it's not real.
Yeah, it's not real, guys.
Please
Never.
don't look it up. If you look it up, I will literally cry.
Yeah, guys, just don't do it.
I will cry for you because you will lose your account and I will not feel bad. Just kidding. I will.
Yeah. Hatch a basic egg, got a basic bee. Yeah. Don't care about basic bees. Alright, transform basic bee. Gifted fire. Oh, I already have those. I already have that. Okay. Yeah, I already have that. Hey, it's level 1 too. So I guess let's just feed it some, or what does fire be like? Strawberries? I don't need to feed it strawberries. 66, level 1. Alright, let's just level this bad boy up real quick. Yes, level 19. Level 72. Level 381. Level 1,000 something. I'm not spending 5,000 treats. Wait. Alright. I'm gonna make it radioactive. I think making it radioactive makes it like give more treats. No. I'm sad now. Should I do it, guys? Should I do it? spend all my treats. Let me do the calculations real quick. Check it out. So 1 calculator. No, yeah, just calculator. All right, so it would be 189661. Times, is it times, yeah, 10. 1896610 times 6407, or it should be divided. 200. So I'd be pretty close if I do it. Sure. Oh yeah. My calculations were correct. So now I'm really close to having a level 9 Vicious Bee. That'd be really nice. I'll just feed it a bit more. We'll shove food down its throat. I was gonna say for a second, why do I have no blueberries? Bitter berries. I don't want the energy mutation, I want the attack mutation. Wait, is it level 9? I just got a new mutation, 24% energy. Blueberries. Strawberries. I got a level 9 Vicious Bee! Let's go! Now, my next one I want to get to level 9 is probably my Vector Bee. Because mythic. First I'm going to find out his favorite trait. Vector Bee. Do you like strawberries? Do you like pineapple? Alright. Alright. The spicy bee likes... No, not rage. Spicy. Spicy bee. Alright, he loves strawberries. All 23. So, I think Max is playing a different game right now. Yeah, he is. Or watching something, I don't know. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, get a new moon charm. This is just an amazing video here. 150, 200. Ooh, that's a 4% bomb effect. Ooh, what should I do, guys? Or it's just another 50,000 for captivity or I don't care. And then I'm keeping old. Tell me in the comments if I should have replaced it or should have kept it. Yeah. I think I'll just end the video here. So, oh wait, let me. So I'm like doing this quest where I need like 3 level 9 bees. That's why I wanted my Vicious Bee to level 9. So I'm actually gonna see if I could defeat the Commando Chick. Because Commando Chick is like really hard if you don't have the right level bees. I think having a level 9 Vicious Bee was the right thing to do. I'm gonna just go here. Alright, let's see. It is a level 9 Commando. Alright, yeah, it definitely does way better. Yeah, I can defeat Commando easy now. Alright, I'm gonna defeat Commando real quick. After he stops hiding in his egg. Come on, get out of your egg, Buster. Get out of your egg. Come on, stop hiding. Don't need to hide. You don't need to hide, Commando Chick. Just need to die. Alright. Let's hope I can defeat him in like a couple minutes. Oh yeah, 21% critical chance. That's pretty good. 17 seconds. Yes. 9 times critical chance, which means 27. 9 times. 10. Panda Bear. Boost. Thing. Speed. He should be defeated quickly, the Commando. Okay, a couple of seconds he should. Or seconds, so I mean minutes. Come on, Vicious, spawn a Vicious token. Here we go. 62. 60. Yeah, Commando Chick's definitely way easier to defeat. So I think I'm going to end the video here. So please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Or wait. Bye.